Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to make a super cute little bookmark using products from Pixi Dust Designs. So I've already cut out all my parts and pieces, and I did go ahead and ink blend around them to add a little bit of texture. All right, so we're going to build up our little line first. So I've got my body first. I've got his little belly. I'm going to go ahead and add it first. And I'm going to use liquid glue for all of this. So I'm just going to line that up in the etched lines. I've got his little head, which is right here. It's going to line up right there. And we're going to tuck his little ears in before we put that down. But I'm going to go ahead and layer up this little piece. You don't technically have to layer this part up, I don't think. You could actually just probably do the interior piece and be okay if you wanted to. Since I have them cut out, I'm going to go ahead and layer both of these together. Just to add a little bit more interest. So I'm going to go ahead and add this layer over here. And then I'll take and add a few little dots of glue into there. And I'm going to use a pickup tool. I can layer that on the inside. And then we'll layer our second little ear piece in. And then I'm going to tuck these in because there's a little opening right there. I'm going to tuck those in there first. So I'm going to take and grab my little ear. I'll add a little liquid glue back behind there. And I'm going to pop that little opening up just a little bit and slide my little ear in. And I could clean off any of that excess glue. I could also just go ahead and slide this in and add a little liquid glue on the back side. Just like that. Then I can go ahead and layer this piece up. So we'll go ahead and line that up. Now we'll layer him on. So we've got our little paw. I'm going to layer on next. And then I've got my other little paw over here. It's going to get tucked back there. All right, we're going to go ahead and add our little face, and then we'll add all of our little parts to his little face. I can do his little snout. And I cut it from our same craft cardstock I used for the mane and his little tail, which we'll see in a minute. We've got our white part of our eyes. Got that. Get our other little eye. And we'll layer on the other part of his little eye in a second. I'm going to add a couple dots of glue for his eyebrows. Pop those into place. Move that around just a little. I'm going to add a couple little dots around his little eye. Put that up. We're going to add this little eye. Right on top there. And we'll add our other little eye right over there. I think this would make a super cute little cowardly line for a Wizard of Oz project. Just saying. We'll add a little liquid glue for his mouth. And his little mouth on. And then all I gotta do is add his tail and the back part of his little tail. The tuft of his tail. So I add a little liquid glue there. We'll pick up his little tuft. Now we'll add that on. There's my little line. Move him to the side. And then we've got some sunflowers. And there's 2 different sizes. We've got a bigger one and a smaller one. I've cut out 4 of them. Because my plan is to put 2 on the front and 2 on the back. So we'll go ahead and layer up our pieces of our sunflower. There's only 2 or 3. There's the centers and the stems. So we'll go ahead and add that on. We'll add our small ones. Here's those. And then I will add those to the stems after we get them on the bookmark. All right, I've cut my bookmark base layer from a light green cardstock, and I also cut it from a white cardstock so that I could back it, a little bit heavier cardstock, and stamped our sentiment on it. So I'm going to layer those up in a minute to make it a little sturdier. But I do have my little decorative piece that I've cut from the Bella Flower pattern paper. So I'm going to add this on first. And we'll layer that on there. Let's get that lined up. I did cut some ribbon from my stash. I'm going to run through the hole, the ribbon hole. So we'll go ahead and add liquid glue on this. And we will sandwich this together. Then we are going to add our little line on, and he's going to stick off a little, and that's okay because he's a bookmark. I'm perfectly fine with him sticking off a little bit. So we're going to have him there. And then we're going to take and add our little flowers, a couple of those on the front. So I'll add liquid glue at the bottom of that. And then we'll add a large one and a small one. So we got a large stem and a small stem. Add this one. I'm going to tuck it over more to the side there. We will add that. Sunflower on. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to add the other 2 to the back. So we'll go ahead and add our large one first. And we will add that one. And if it bothers you, his tail sticking off, you could always cut it off. It does not bother me. I think it's adorable that way. So we'll add this one over here. And we'll add our other little sunflower right there. And then all I have to do is run my ribbon through. I just pulled that from my stash in a color that would kind of match our pattern paper. I'm just going to loop it and then slip knot. And then I'm going to trim that off a little. And then to finish up my little bookmark, I'm going to add just a few little highlights to our lion. All right, my friends, so here is our finished bookmark. And it's great to share, or maybe for you to put in your Bible. Be strong and courageous, Joshua 1:9. And we've got our cute little line on the front with some sunflowers. If you need any of the products you've seen used today, I have them all linked and listed in the video description below. If you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up right over there. I'll see you in that video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.